welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine Zena, and if you are new, make sure you click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I post. So in today's video, I am going to do a wash and go using Camille Rose Curl Maker and Curl Love. So I already washed my hair with the Sweet Ginger shampoo, and I also deep conditioned with the conditioning mask. So let's get started with applying my leave-in, which will be the Curl Love. So now that the Curl Love has been applied, I'm gonna go ahead and start applying the curl maker. I'm gonna apply the gel in smaller sections so I can make sure that my curls are defined. So normally when I do my wash and go, I do a variety of techniques. So first, I just massage the products into the hair. I rake it through, and I also use praying hands. Also, in order for my hair to clump together, I can use the praying hands, and also I can do the shingling method. Pretty much where you grab hair and smooth it down together. So I applied the moisturizer and the gel onto my hair. I'm gonna sit under the dryer for about 45 minutes to an hour, and then I'm gonna come back with the final results. Okay, so I'm back and my hair is completely dry, but I feel like this is a complete fail. My hair is not defined at all, and I'm gonna say it's my fault because I am starving. I'm doing a 24-hour fast and I just want this day to be over with. So I just rushed this wash and go. So I'm still gonna band it overnight and wear it out tomorrow because I did all this hard work and I'm tired and I just wanna eat, but I can't eat until tomorrow, and we can see how this wash and go turned out. But just by the looks of the hair now that it's dry, I feel like it's a complete bust.